Using a line of credit can be a convenient and flexible way to access cash when you need it, but it is essential to understand how to use it effectively. A line of credit is a type of loan that allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit, repay it, and then borrow again without having to reapply. First, you need to determine how much you can borrow from your line of credit. This is typically specified by your lender when you apply for the line of credit. You can use this amount to cover unexpected expenses, finance large purchases, or consolidate debt. To access the funds, you can usually write a check, use a debit card, or transfer the money to your checking account online or by phone. You can also visit your lender's branch in person to request a withdrawal. The method of accessing the funds will depend on the lender and the terms of your agreement. Once you have accessed the funds, you will need to make payments to pay back the borrowed amount. Plus interest. The interest rate on a line of credit can be variable, meaning it may change over time. So it is crucial to review your agreement and understand the terms. To use a line of credit wisely, make sure to only borrow what you need, and make timely payments to avoid accumulating debt. It is also essential to keep track of your balance and available credit to ensure you do not exceed your limit. For example, if you have a line of credit with a limit of $10,000 and you borrow $3,000 to cover an unexpected car repair, you will need to make payments to pay back the $3,000, plus interest. Once you have paid back the $3,000, you can borrow again up to the $10,000 limit without having to reapply. In summary, using a line of credit involves determining your borrowing limit, accessing the funds, making payments, and keeping track of your balance. By following these steps and using a line of credit responsibly, you can effectively manage your finances and achieve your goals. Remember to always review your agreement, understand the terms, and make timely payments to avoid accumulating debt.